What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my November Heroes Tower Mystery Box. Now, anyone who watched any of the videos prior to this one, I fell a little bit behind unboxing this, so I'm unboxing all of these at the same time. It's like my Christmas gift to myself. I was 4 months behind unboxing these boxes, so I started with September, October, now we're November. Can't wait to get to the December box. That'll be super fun as well. But in this video, I have my November box. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's the, this is my main mystery box. And then I also get a mini one for supporting them on Patreon. They are going to be under new management. Chad is going to relinquish control to his nephew, who I'm sure will do a fabulous job with this box. This has always been my favorite. I love this one. I thought Chad was amazing. I'm going to grab this, guys. I just dropped it off the side there. I thought Chad was amazing when he did the box, and he's going to train his nephew, you know, what he did with it and how he did it. And then his nephew, of course, is going to put his own spin on it. When it's your game, you're going to do your own thing. I'm sure it's going to be great, guys. I don't think that he would relinquish control to this to someone that wasn't going to do a great job, because this was Chad's baby, and I know it was probably hard for him to let it go, but he had to do what was best for him and his family. So we are going to just cut this open because we got some tape going on here, guys. Sorry for the delay, but I am, oh, I got Raph. Guys, I've been getting a little figurine in each box. I got Leonardo first, I got Donatello second, and caught it. This month I have Raph. Look at that, you guys. Oh, they're so fun. I have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle cubby hole. Actually, I think I have 4 now because I have so much Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle stuff. I love the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and I think that those are fabulous. I love these little bags, guys. I can't stop. I just saw something fabulous that came out of this bag. Oh my gosh. Guys, I love these little bags. These are so stinking cute. They're great little wristlets, which is fine, but I use them for decorative storage, you guys. I use these and hang these up in my little geeky area. I have like a little area where I hang all these bags up, and it has all of the little stuff that I'm going to craft with inside the bags. So for me, it's decorative storage. Okay, guys, I'm going to have to show you what I saw that I was so excited about. You guys know that Thor is my favorite superhero. However, Optimus Prime is a very close second. Like, very close second. Honestly, I'm just going to say they're tied for first because I love them both. I think they're both great characters. Look at this, you guys. An Optimus Prime keychain. It's like a wristlet kind of keychain situation, which is really awesome. It's like a heavy duty, super cool Optimus Prime keychain. I love it. I love it. I love Optimus Prime. And then I have a little baggie here that has some magnets in it, which I'm super excited about, guys, because, again, my kid makes stuff all the time and any magnets. So we have Shredder. Ugh, I hope you guys can see that. Looks like I'm getting some glare. Hold on. I don't know. I hope you guys can see it. Like, I know I can see the ring light in there, but hopefully you guys can see the magnet. And then we have Michelangelo. He's getting glare too. I'm so sorry, guys. I wish I had a better way to show these to you, but I don't right now. We'll have to see. Maybe next year that'll be something I focus on. Okay, and then I have a really cool, oh, I dropped that. I'm going to pick it up. A fun Superman postcard with Santa Claus. How cute is that, you guys? I'm working on a really fun project with the postcards, and as I mentioned in my other videos, next year is going to be for me, so I'm going to make sure that I do things for myself next year, and that's going to be one of them. I'm going to bend over and pick this up, you guys. Sorry for the negative space there, but I have a baggie full of stickers. Stickers are so fun to craft with, you guys. So although the craft challenge will be no more since his nephew is taking over, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have videos where I show you guys ideas of things that you can do with the stickers, the comic books, and all of that kind of stuff that you get in these boxes, because I have ideas for days. And again, next year is going to be for me. So peanuts for me. Those are things that are important and that I'm passionate about. So we have an Optimus Prime sticker. Super fun. I love these sticker packs, guys, because you can do so many fun things with them. Here's Raphael. That is super fun. And then this looks like it is Michelangelo, because this looks like nunchucks. It's always kind of hard to distinguish the orange and the red, I think, sometimes, but that is definitely Michelangelo because he's got nunchucks. Then we got a Batman one. Oh, this one is so fun. I've gotten this one before and I love it. This is like one of my favorite stickers. I love it. Superman with Batman, making him smile. How cute is that? That is so super fun. What is this? I'm going to set that one aside for a second. This looks like it's Thor. For sure, Thor. Check that out. Then we have Iron Man. Love that. Oh, I love this Batman symbol. Guys, the Batman symbol is so cool. I wish I was that cool like Batman. That is really cool. And then we got Superman. Love that. Oh, I love these Wonder Woman ones. She looks so pretty. It's like a throwback. I love that. I don't know who this is. It's a Transformer. I just can't tell which one it is. So there you go. It's not my Optimus Prime or Bumblebee or any of the other obvious ones. Oh, here. This is a Transformer. It's got all kinds of Transformer sayings on it. And look, can you see the Transformer logo there? There you go. I couldn't see that at first, but that's definitely what that is. Super, super cool. Love all of it, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put these back in this little bag so I don't lose them, because I do plan on doing some fabulous things with those. Then I have two comic books. So we have Scarlet's Strike Force. This is G.I. Joe, isn't it? I think so. I think so. Pretty sure that's G.I. Joe. And then we have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This is a very cool cover. Check that one out, you guys. So those are the comic books that I got in this one. And then all of the other goodies. Guys, this is still available on Patreon, okay? Or Patreon. Cratejoy. This is available on Cratejoy. So if you guys are liking what you see in this box, I don't know what the pricing is anymore or anything like that, you guys. I'm going to have to go check that out, but I'm sure that it's very reasonable. You get a great amount of stuff for the price that you pay, and this box, bag, whatever you want to call it, has never disappointed me. I just want to point that out to you guys. So if anyone is interested in getting this one, it is available on Patreon and also on Cratejoy. Sorry, I had to stop and think for a second. So I'm going to set that one aside. So that was my Heroes main box for the month of November. That is the one that I pay for. This one here I get for free because I support them on Patreon financially. And this is a mini mystery box. So let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open and see what goodies are inside this one. Oh, we got a Pokemon one again. So I got a Pokemon one last month too. And like I said, Pokemon my son likes. So this is going to be super fun. So here's this. And this was a super cool keychain last time. So let's see if that's what it is again, y'all. Oh, it is. Oh, how fun. I don't know who these characters are, but I think my son is going to love it. I think it's going to be super fun for him. So I'm definitely going to give that stuff to him. And I'm going to apologize to you guys up front again because I know nothing about Pokemon. So everything that I pull out of here, I'm not going to know what it is, what it's for, or any of that stuff. Now this little bag here, even though I know nothing about Pokemon, I do appreciate a handmade item. This is a handmade item. I love this, and I'm going to keep this for myself. I will not give this one to my son, but all the other little trinkets and stuff I will. This is for me. I'm keeping this. Okay, then we have a little baggie of goodies in here. Let's go ahead and pop this open and see what we got. Oh, the little mushroom guy. So I know the mushroom dude. I don't know his name. Toad. His name is Toad. Hold on. Here's Toad. Look at that. That's cute. You know, I want to keep Toad for myself. All right, I'm going to keep Toad. Isn't Toad from Mario, though? Pretty sure Toad's from Mario. Okay, and then we have this lanyard. My son does like lanyards, so I will give that to him. Then we have a couple of fun little pins. I don't know who to give the pins to him because I think he'll just poke himself and cry. So I'll save these for something else. Maybe I can make him something really cool with them. So there's one, and here's the other one. I don't know who either of them are because, again, I know very little about Pokemon. Yeah, I don't know this, guys. Here's this guy. Sorry, some of these unboxings are not super fun because I don't know what anything is. So if you guys do, go ahead and chime in the comments. Here's a cool Pokemon postcard. That is super fun. This is Konami. Konami made Contra. Love Contra. Favorite game like ever. Legendary Duelist. I don't know what this is. It's some kind of trading card game, but there you go, from Konami, who is the maker of Contra. Love Contra. You can't stress that enough. Then we got a Pokemon card pack. Very, very cool. All right, and then I have a little packet of stickers. My son loves stickers, so I'm sure that he will have fun with these. Don't know what any of them are, guys. Probably won't know any of them because, again, I don't know anything about this stuff, but the stickers are pretty cool. They really are, actually. I don't even know if I'm holding them up the right way, but they're very cool. Dungeons and Dragons. Oh, it's like a Starbucks look. That's kind of cool. Different, right? Okay, and then we have this guy. Zelda. Oh, like The Legend of Zelda. Oh, I know what that is. Maybe I'll get that for myself. That one's pretty cool. And then I got this dragon guy. Okay. I don't know who this bird is, but we got this little bird thing. This guy has like 4 arms. Kind of cool. Sometimes I wish I had 4 or 5 arms, you know what I mean? And then we have this other dragon thing. Very, very cool. Oh, this one's cool. This looks like a fairy, like a deranged fairy. It's very cool looking though. Maybe it's Pikachu or something like that. I don't know. But those are very cool, guys. So that was my mini mystery box. Now, again, I don't know what kinds of boxes are available on Cratejoy, but you guys will just have to go check that out. I'll have a link in my description box below. Please make sure that you check them out if you are interested in this box. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one.